So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Shopify to your PayPal account. So the first thing you want to do once you go to your Shopify admin panel, you can see orders, content, analytics, online store, apps, settings and stuff like that. So you can click on settings. On here you can see general, plan, billing, users, payments, customer accounts, locations, notifications. So you can see all of the stuff on here. So from there, go to payments. And once you have something set up, so you can see supported payment methods like PayPal. So you can choose to add a payout method as well. So once you set up your account fully, so you can see here, choose a provider, you can go ahead and add a payout method. If it's not popping up on there, you can see here the billing profile. And you can set it up on there as well, but usually it's in payments. And once you do that, just link it to your bank account. And once you link into your bank account, you can just open up a new window or use your m-banking or e-banking app and set it up through there to actually send it to your PayPal account. So it's not really a direct way that you can set up your payout to be on PayPal, but it's through your bank that you can then redirect it to your PayPal account. So that's kind of a way so you can bypass certain stuff. But on here, there isn't really a direct way that you can pay out through PayPal. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.